Like a lot of you, I've been having video conference room scheduling conflicts with my coworkers recently. The problem is twofold. One is that my video conference room is pretty boring. It's just beige sheetrock. And secondly, since I'm sharing the space with my coworker, I rarely have time to get on my CAD workstation computer. I wanted to share with you about how I was able to spruce up the conference room using only the couch, my old Chromebook, and the 3D-Experience platform. I don't have room for a bookshelf, I'm not really any good at art, but one thing I do have a lot of is vinyl records. I thought it'd be pretty cool to hang a bunch of my favorites up on the wall. But being stuck in quarantine, I only really have what I have in my house. So I started rummaging around in the cabinets, the garage, that one drawer we all have, and I was ready to give up when I found these little picture hangers. I've always been amazed at how much weight they could hold up by just a little nail inside the sheetrock. Of course, I only had 3 of them, and I'm trying to hang 20 records. So that led me to designing and printing my own custom hangers from the couch. Since XDesign is completely browser-based, I can sign on to any device, anywhere, and start modeling. Their user interface was simple and intuitive, so it was easy for me to mock up what I wanted the bracket to look like with the record inside. Since everything was parametric, I could play around with the dimensions until I got the shape that I was looking for. And I could even create a custom hole size to fit the only small nails that I could find. All done, right? Okay, so as with most designs, my first one didn't go exactly as planned. It took about 4 hours to print a pair. Did I mention I need 40 of these? And once I had it on the wall, I could tell they were way over-engineered. Luckily, I found out that changing the model wasn't an issue at all. Turns out XDesign has data management built right in, so all I did was create a new revision and started changing dimensions. Since it's parametric, everything updated, and I was able to cut down on a bunch of material by cutting down on the envelope size, and also by literally cutting out a bunch of material. This new revision was able to be printed in less than half the time, so I was able to get my backdrop looking good before my coworker's next big web meeting. Why not give it a try? With a 7-day free trial of the 3D Experience platform, see for yourself how you can unlock design freedom in the cloud.